Hi everybody! Welcome to Patrick's Automotive Adventures. As you may have guessed by the channel name, this thing is all about automotive, especially motorsport and drifting. Drifting is my big passion, which I'm following over a decade now. After I'm drifting a Toyota Cresta for the last 2 years, I began a new project. And therefore I've freed up some extra time for my other interests, like videography or photography. If you are curious what's to come, I will cover everything from tech contributions until event reports like from DMGP or Nürburgring Drift Cup and many more. This first video, it's about a V8. Specifically, it's about a V8 that my good friend Marcello is currently rebuilding at his workshop. The old V8 that he rocked in his BMW E36 literally ended up on the tarmac on the last track day. I visited him briefly at his workshop, and this resulted in the following video. If you have any specific topics that I would cover for you, please comment down below. And if you like this video, smash that like button and subscribe this channel. Bye. Stay sideways.